Hi guys. Point B lies on the surface, not the base, of a hemisphere with surface area, including the base, of 675 pi. Point B lies directly over the diameter AC, and point D lies on AC, directly beneath B. If AD is equal to 2dB, okay, I'm trying to comprehend that. D is the point on the diameter and A is the one point of the diameter. Okay. Then the volume of the figure formed by rotating triangle ABC about the diameter AC is K pi. Find the value of K. Okay, so we have a hemisphere which will look like this. And then just get rid of the bottom part. So hemisphere. Point B lies on the surface. Point B lies directly over diameter AC. So let's say we have this diameter right here, which is AC. Point B will lie right here, which is directly over the diameter. Point D lies directly beneath B, so point D is here. And AD is 2 times DB. This is 2 times longer than this. Okay. Then the volume of the figure formed by rotating triangle ABC about that diameter AC is K pi. Find the value of K. Okay, if we want to find the volume of the figure formed by the rotating triangle this, I'd assume we need to know this. We need to know the area of the triangle. We need to know this, this, and this. We know this entire thing. So maybe we can use that. Or no, we don't, as this one. The surface area of a hemisphere. Hemisphere surface area. I'll just draw it out. Hemisphere surface area is equal to the bottom, which is 2 pi r. And I think that's like, shoot, I'm gonna look this up so I don't get it wrong. But I think it's, of an entire sphere, I think it's 4 pi r squared. So this should be 2 pi r squared, I think, but let me check. Yeah, it's, oh shoot, this is not 2 pi r. This is pi r squared. And then the entire thing is 4 pi r squared, so now it's just 2 pi r squared. So the entire thing is 3 pi r squared is equal to 675 pi. So just cross those out, then we get 225 is equal to r squared, so 15 is equal to r. Okay. So we know the diameter. I'm trying to think. If we can just use the area of the triangle. But I don't think so. Because different triangles can have the same area and don't have different volumes when they're. Okay, well, if AD equals 2dB, so that's all we get. Maybe let's draw this flat. And then get rid of this part. So we have this line. If AD is equal to 2dB, that looks about equal. Yeah, maybe like that. If AD dB maybe we can use a formula, because like let's say it's on a grid, then we know this is 0, 15, or no, 15, 0. This is also 15, 0. This is going to be x1, 0. This is going to be something else. We know the equation for a circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So we know x squared plus y squared is equal to 225. We know that AD is going to be 15 plus x1. Okay. It's equal. Is equal to 2 times, and then this is going to be x1 comma y1, y1. So this is our relationship between x1 and y1, and then this is also our relationship. So if we just sub in one of these for, yeah. So x1 is equal to 2y1 minus 15. So 2y1 minus 15 squared plus y1 squared is equal to 225. So we get 4y1 squared, be minus 30, no, minus 60 y1 plus 15 squared plus y1. So these two cancel out, y1 squared. So then we get 5, we can divide by 5, so we get y1 squared minus 12 is equal, 12y1 is equal to 0. Obviously y1 equals 0 is not a solution, so we just got y1 minus 12 is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 12. So we know dB is equal to 12. Oh shoot, boys, am I stuck? Okay. dB is equal to 12. And so that will mean 12. So 15 plus x1 equals equal to 24. So 24 minus 15 is going to be 14 minus 5 is 9. So this is 9. So that means that this is 21. No, 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 no. This is 24. And then this is 6. Right? Yes. Okay, so now we have all the measures of these things. So we have one cone that has a base of 12 and a height of 24, and one cone that has a base of 12 and a height of 6. So remember, cones are pi r squared h 1/3 of that, I believe. 1/3 pi r squared h. Let me check just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yes, it was. And by the way, it's okay that I'm checking these, at least in my rules, because if I were to actually do this on competition day, I would have memorized all these formulas and stuff, but I'm just a bit rusty right now. But that's okay. Um, anyways, yeah, so it's 1/3 pi r h, or pi r squared h. So we have 1/3 times pi times 12 pi r squared h times 24 plus 1/3 times pi times 12 squared times 6. So we can factor these out, and we get 24 plus 6, which is 30. Oh, so I don't think we need to just flip them up, but that's okay. So we get 30 times this, so 1/3 of that is 10. So it's going to be 1440 pi, which cancel out the pi, we get 1440. Let me check. Okay, so they kind of did it weirdly. They did this weird equation. They said, like, AC times DC is equal to DB squared, and then they solved that way. I don't know how they got that, but anyways, I got the same answer by doing what I wanted to do. It's so cool. Thank you guys for watching. And I got it right. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.